versus investment. This is exactly what our topic is about today, so stay tuned. Have you ever wondered why, even when you earn more money, it still seems to disappear? Why do some people grow wealthier with less income while others stay stuck despite earning more? The answer is simple. It lies in understanding the difference between spending and investing. Today, we'll explore that difference in depth, and this video might completely change your financial future. What is spending? Spending is using money for immediate needs or desires. For example, buying a new phone, eating at restaurants, purchasing expensive clothes. These things bring you pleasure, but only temporarily. Spending provides instant gratification, but often reduces your future opportunities. What is investment? Investment is using money to create greater value in the future. For example, paying for education, starting a business, investing in assets. Investment does not give immediate results, but over time, it starts working for you. It requires patience and strategy. The biggest difference. The biggest difference between spending and investing is time. Spending. Joy today. Nothing tomorrow. Investment. Patience today. Freedom tomorrow. The question is, which one will you choose? Real-life example. Imagine two friends. The first one spends money every month on new clothes, gadgets, развлечения. The second one buys books, takes courses, saves, and invests money. After 5 years, the first one is still in the same place. The second one stands in front of new opportunities. Why do people spend? Because spending is easy, and it gives instant pleasure. Our brain loves quick rewards. But the problem is, instant gratification steals long-term success. How to start investing? You don't need to be rich to start investing. To begin, start small, keep learning, stay disciplined. The most important thing, consistency. The best investment is yourself. Knowledge, skills, experience. No one can take that away from you. Common mistakes. Most people make these mistakes. They spend everything, they delay investing, they are afraid. But the biggest mistake is never starting. Conclusion. Powerful ending. Spending ties you to today. Investment takes you to the future. Every dollar is a choice. The question is simple. Will you lose it or grow it? Make a decision today, because your future life is the result of your choices today.